cell phone? Where's the cell phone? I can barely see these damn numbers. They're so small. Hey, you made me hit my head, jerk. Hey, dude, you just leaving? Dude, come over, dude. Come over. Hey Sam, dude, what's going on?
Hey Butterscotch, you see Sam?
Yeah, no, I haven't seen him all day. I don't know. Oh, that's Puggy. Hey, yo, you seen Sam around?
No, man. I haven't seen Sam around all day. I'll go ask Kiki over here and see what she has to say and her input. You know where Sam's at?
Do I know where Sam's at? No, I haven't seen him all day. I'll ask these girls. Hey, get off me. Hey, you guys seen Sam anywhere? No? Oh, I guess not.
No, I guess no one's seen Sam around here, but hey Sam, I just want to let you know, I think you hit your head a little too hard this morning. Hey, give me $20.
Thought you were Puggy, dude, my bad.